The peacock's feathers dazzle with iridescent colors, nature's masterpiece. Did you know?
Male peacocks can fan their tails to over 2 meters wide to impress females. At Farm, we combine modern techniques with respect for nature to nurture these magnificent birds.
Let's explore the fascinating journey of peacock feathers from farm to fashion. Peacock feathers, a symbol of beauty and grace, have captivated humanity for centuries.
Peacock eggs are carefully incubated, maintaining a constant warm temperature for proper development. After a few weeks, the eggs begin to hatch, revealing tiny, fluffy peacock chicks.
Peacock chicks are cared for in a warm, safe environment until they grow stronger.
In their early stages, peacock chicks have soft, pale feathers, and their tails are short. As the chicks grow, their feathers start to develop and become more vibrant.
Peacock chicks begin to display their tail feathers at around 6 months of age.
Mature feathers start to fully develop at 1 year old, giving peacocks their iconic colorful tails. At 2 years old, peacocks reach their full maturity, with their stunning iridescent feathers fully displayed.
The peacock's tail feathers become more vibrant and expansive with each passing year. As the peacock matures, its feathers become the epitome of beauty and grace. Feathers are collected only when fully shed or fully mature to preserve quality. Gentle, humane techniques ensure birds experience no stress or harm during feather collection.
Immediately after collection, feathers are sorted by size, color, and condition to maintain freshness.
Peacock tail feathers are prized for their length, often over 1.5 meters.
The longest feathers, used primarily for decoration, are carefully collected after molting. Feathers are sorted immediately to be used for fashion, art, or decor, based on their size and quality. Feathers are carefully handled to avoid damage during collection and transport. Each feather is inspected for symmetry, color brilliance, and strength before processing. Long tail feathers are particularly sought after in the fashion and decor industries.
Feathers that meet the highest standards are shipped directly to global designers.
Feathers are washed in gentle industrial systems to remove dirt, oils, and impurities.
Steam sterilization ensures all feathers are hygienic and odor-free before use. Drying uses controlled airflow to maintain feather shape and iridescence. Feathers pass thorough quality checks for symmetry, color, and durability.
Feathers are bundled, wrapped in soft protective paper, and carefully packed into boxes. Peacock meat is considered a delicacy in some parts of the world, known for its lean, tender texture. The meat has a gamey flavor, often compared to pheasant or turkey, and is prized for its unique taste. The feathers and meat both have a place in ancient cultures, where peacock meat was considered royal food. Peacock meat is highly nutritious, rich in protein and low in fat, often considered a healthy alternative to traditional meats. In some cultures, peacock meat is considered a symbol of wealth and prestige, often served at royal feasts. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of peacock feathers. Experience the magic and beauty of nature's most elegant plumage.
We invite you to witness the beauty and craftsmanship behind every naturally shed peacock feather.
These feathers have long inspired designers, artists, and collectors around the world.
Let the elegance of the peacock guide your imagination, a timeless muse of nature.